This is POCO X5 5G, and in today's video I would like to figure out what is the maximum camera zoom this device has to offer. So as you can see, I've already launched the default camera app, so let me just zoom into, well, things until I can't no more. So as you can see, the maximum zoom that I can, the farthest I can zoom on this device is 10x or tenfold. And if you ask me, while zooming in by so much, you get a somewhat decent detailing on the picture. So that's a rather surprising fact to know. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.